Okay, so today we are going to discuss about email automation in Kajabi. Okay, so log into your Kajabi portal, then go to marketing. Okay, and under marketing, you get two options. One option is email, and the other option is sequence. Okay, so let it open. So basically, as I told you, Kajabi is a platform where you get all these things in a single platform: website, landing page, email automation, smart email, email broadcast, email automation. Okay, learning management system, all these things. Okay, you're going to get in a single platform. Okay, so now let's get back to Kajabi. So if you go to Kajabi, go to marketing, go to email campaigns. Okay, go to email campaigns, and here you can see broadcast and sequence. So if we click on broadcast, so all the emails which were broadcasted earlier, you can see here. Even you can schedule it for the future. Sequence is where you can actually create a sequence of 5, 6, 7 emails. Okay, in a row, like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, like this. And then basically what you can do, you can schedule it, okay, on a particular day, particular time. Okay, and then it works like an automation. So I'm going to share with you how to do it. Okay, before that, let me share with you that if you are not using Kajabi right now, I suggest you to go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi and avail 30 days trial. Okay, for this of this wonderful tool at no cost. You just have to go to this link, dnaclub.in/Kajabi, avail 30 days trial, and you will get an email from my side where you can actually unlock all these bonuses worth $250, which you get absolutely free if you take 30 days trial using my affiliate link. Okay, so these are the offer. These are the things which you get: 2 days workshop ticket of MLM automation, ready to use Kajabi templates, free personal consultation call with us so that we can help you in setup of Kajabi tool, community access, once consultation call every month with me if you decide to go ahead and become a paid member of Kajabi. Then email marketing scripts, lead generation hooks and poster samples, sample lead magnets. These are the free bonuses you're going to get if you avail 30 days trial using my link. Okay, dnaclub.in/Kajabi. So once you're into trial, then once you are into Kajabi, go to for email broadcast. If you understand an email, click here on new email campaign, and you can see there are two options: email broadcast and email sequence. If you click on broadcast, it is a once you want to send an email like this. Okay, so you can schedule it for future as well. So Kajabi templates, you can use any of these templates. Like if you want to use this template, okay, like something free tutorial, something coming up. So, and also if you want to create an urgency, like some timer, you want to show a timer in the email, so these you can use any of these templates. But if you want to, like even if you want to send a newsletter, so you can use this template, newsletter. Okay, so these are the these are some of the email templates. But yeah, if you want to use simple classic editor, just click on classic editor, enter the email title. Okay, like say for example, email title is question for you. Okay, example. Okay, so I click on create. So this is only for our internal purpose. Okay, and who will receive this broadcast? So you can say all contacts, or you can choose any of this custom segment. You can click on custom segment and you can use like this. Okay, so contacts added in the last 90 days, contacts added before 90 days, joined in the last, like this. So the customer activity based filter you can apply, email activity based, like email delivered an email in last. Okay, so custom segment, send this email to all those people where email is delivered in last 90 days, like this. Okay, so somebody who has access to a particular offer, somebody who has access to a particular product, somebody who is tagged with a particular tag. Okay, a name which contains particular text. So some very awesome filters you can apply. You can just explore this. Okay, so suppose right now in this case I am selecting all contacts, and then click on continue, save and continue. And from here you can put the title, subject of the email, and here you can write email body. Okay, this is email body. And suppose you want to personalize this, you want to say hi, and you want to type the name of the person, so you can use this personalize and then name. Okay, so hi this. So, and then you can write your email body here. Okay, clear? So also you can use some more liquid objects like last name, name, email ID. Okay, so you can use any of these fields if you want to use. Okay, now let's go. If you want to convert a particular text into a link, so select the text and click here, and you can put the insert link. Okay, so if they click, it will open a particular whatever link you have set there. So it is simple. Just click on save and continue, and it is going to show us a preview how it looks, and click on save and continue. And here you can schedule it for later, or you can send it right now. It is simple. Okay, now let's again come back to email campaign. Let's understand email sequence. So if we talk about email automation, okay, so for email automation, you have to write few emails in a sequence. Okay, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 3, day 4, day 5, like this, and then you can trigger those emails based on a particular event. Okay, so if I click here on sequence, okay, then I can click here. I can see all my previous sequences which I've created here. If I want to create a new sequence, click on new email campaign, click on email sequence. Okay, suppose email like test email after one-to-one call maybe. Okay, so click on continue. Let's use classic editor. Okay, so day 1, if I want to send some email immediately, this email I want to send immediately, just put 0. So 0 means immediately when somebody is opted in. Okay, so I say 1. So 1 day after this is triggered. So 1 day later. So 11 a.m. is my local time, IST. It is Indian time. In your case, when you create a Kajabi account, whatever is your local time, it is going to take that. So title, internal title of the email, subject of the email, and you can just type, okay, like email 1. Okay, so this is the body. I click on save. Similarly, if I want to add more emails, so I can say add new email. Okay, and this can be, again, I'm using classic editor, and here I can say email 2. So this way I can write multiple emails and choose particular time and date and time. Okay, day and time. So this way I can write multiple emails. Okay, and also if I go to settings, so these are some of the settings which I can, some essential settings like whom to exclude from this email. Suppose I want to exclude people who are already part of my group. Okay, sending time is my local time. Automation, if I want to add few automations like unsubscribe to a person, like if this email sequence is complete, if this entire email sequence is complete, all the, like, you added 5 email, once this entire 5 email is complete, then what to do? Then subscribe to another email sequence, or maybe register to an event, add a tag, like this. Okay, so these are the email these are the email automations which you can use. And also, but this writing all these emails will not make sense if these are not being triggered. Okay, so what is the subscription trigger? So just click here, add trigger. So when do you want to send these emails? Is send these emails when what? Okay, when a particular form is submitted, or when an offer is purchased, when a person is inactive for 90 days, maybe 7 days. Okay, when email sequence is complete, another email sequence, when an tag is added, when the tag is removed. So there are some multiple scenarios which can happen in your business, and accordingly you can put the automation trigger here. Okay, so best option is when the form is submitted. Which form is submitted? Suppose I have a form. This is the form. Once this form is submitted, then automatically trigger this. If I click on save, automatically this email will be start to trigger. I can also add multiple and another complex condition. Only if, okay, when this form is submitted, do this. Condition is this person does not have this product. So this way, you can create 2-level conditions here, okay, based on your business scenarios. So once you set up the trigger event, and also you can, similarly, you can create an unsubscribe trigger event. Like if somebody has purchased your course, okay, you are sending 5 email sequences. Now in first email only, somebody has purchased your course, example. In that case, you don't want to send day 2, day 3, day 4 emails. So in that case, you can unsubscribe it. Similarly, in network marketing case, suppose you are using Kajabi for LMS, you have uploaded your course videos in products. So unsubscribe trigger would be if that person is part of your team, then don't send these emails, right? So this way, these are the scenarios which can happen, and you can set it in Kajabi. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. So I'm just giving you a demo, and How I'm doing it, let me share how I have set up this email sequence. Okay, like after somebody has opted in for my webinar, then what I do, I send them emails. Okay, if I click on sequence, so this is the sequence which I've just created for testing purpose. Let's click here and delete. Okay, and see, you can see here. Okay, delete email sequence. Okay, so if I go to sequence and here it is, TLF webinar email sequence. So 8 emails in 7 days. So you can see 58,000 email sends, 23 opened, 5 clicked, 0 unsubscribed. Okay, so basically what I do is I create one funnel, webinar funnel, and then I have duplicated that funnel for all my team members. And for all the funnels, we are actually triggering, like you can see 321. For 321 funnels, this same one email sequence is being triggered, like immediately webinar link. Then 1 day later, again we are inviting that person to the webinar. Day 2, again we are inviting that person with using a different words. We are inviting that person to our webinar only, like webinar say no to job, and inviting you to very powerful web class. This is this, and when they click here, they go to our webinar room. Okay, so this way I've written some emails where we are again and again retargeting that person to watch the webinar, which is automated webinar. And also, I think third or fourth email is where we are, okay, I'm inviting that person to follow me on Instagram, then book a consultation call. Then again, how I make this money in last few months. Have you wasted your money in courses like this? Imagine you earn from 5 sources online. Okay, so different subjects, but again inviting them to the same webinar. Okay, but again we have a follow webinar as well. So we actually have 2 webinars, and we're inviting them using multiple emails to our webinar. One is consultation call, and to connect on Instagram. Okay, so this way we are using it. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So simple email broadcast and email automation, I hope you understand. So write the sequence and set up the trigger. When do you want these emails to be triggered? Okay, I hope you understand, and let's meet in the next lesson, day number 4. Okay, and also do avail 30 days free trial. Okay, go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi and you can unlock bonuses worth $250. Okay, so go to this link, dnaclub.in/Kajabi, 1 month free trial of Kajabi you can avail. So this is only for very limited time. Go ahead. Okay, see you in the next video, and I am sharing this clickable link in this video description as well. Bye.